I've never been like a skincare routine kind of gal. I've always just been like straight up washing my face with whatever I feel like washing my face with. I've been a CeraVe fan, but I'm like, I want something more natural. So I got this off of Amazon. It's Indian Healing Clay, aka natural calcium bentonite clay. So I don't know, it's like volcano ash, I think. I don't know. Anyways, so I got that, and then I got 100% African shea butter. Yeah, it's like hard. It's like it's like butter, but it works really well. I think I'm gonna take some and put it in like a little Pyrex or just a glass and put it in the microwave so it will warm up some and melt, because it's kind of hard to spread it around. So I think if I melt it, it will be like a lotion, but I'm not gonna do that on the video. I might, we'll see. First things first, this bad boy. Oh yeah, and my hair is in a sock curl, so that's why I look insane right now, but we're gonna put that back and we're gonna take those out after we wash off this clay, and then I'm gonna look beautiful. Is that right, Tucker? Oh my gosh, tight. That's what he said. Okay, so I bought this kit off of Amazon because I want a little bowl and everything with it, and then it just says it like ripped half of the instructions off, so I'm just gonna wing it. But anyways, it says I put basically one part of this and then equal parts of apple cider vinegar with and then I'm kind of nervous about putting apple cider vinegar on my face. I didn't know that I had to mix this with that to activate it. Not sure how that works, but anyways, so we're gonna make that. Gonna be enough? Guess we'll find out. I feel like I'm making like, I don't know, this looks sketchy, the color. And it says to put it on for 20 minutes. So I'm going to install Steam on my laptop. Oh, Steam for Chromebook is not available. Cool, so I guess I will not be playing Once Human, which is a really fun game. So, dang. Wow, Once Human isn't available on Google Play for this device. Okay, well, at least I have Stardew Valley, I guess. Alright. Bubbling. Fizzing and bubbling, fizzing and bubbling. It's smoking, bubbling, it's smoking. It's really dry, so let's add more. This looks like really gross. It's so weird. Does I need to add a little bit more? Oh my god, it went everywhere. The fan's just blowing me. This is already going so well. Oh my. I kind of regret this. But also it says feel your face pulsate. I don't think I'm ready for that. I think I'm finally getting the consistency good. Okay. Okay, I think I need to finish this in the bathroom. Look at the mess I made. So, as you can see, this is off to a great start. This is already drying. I'm not sure how thick I'm supposed to put it on. I'm just gonna try and get an even layer, I guess, before it dries. It says to do this once a week. I will not be doing this once a week. Unless it makes my skin like really beautiful and amazing like everybody said online. Then I might. I feel like the villain off of Spider-Man. The like clay guy or sand guy. This is green, I think. Huh. That's weird because it's not green in the bowl. The bowl is like gray. Apparently it's supposed to get hella deep in your pores and clean them out and get all of the toxins out. So we'll see about that. Because I have some big ass monster pores. Like, I don't know if that's the clay separating or if that's like my pores screaming. But I guess I'm just gonna suffocate it because I have so much of this stuff I accidentally made. Imagine if I wasn't even recording this whole time. That would suck. I feel like I should have taken an Adderall to do this. Or smoked like a lot of weed. No, actually. I would not be okay doing this high. It claims I'm supposed to feel my face pulsate. I don't feel that. I'm not sure how thick this is supposed to be. Look like a monster. I don't know why the chin is so crusty. Apparently you can put this on other parts of your body. Bob Ross, but for really, really, really bad skincare routine videos. What if I walked around public like this? I mean, I live in Vegas, so I feel like people really would not care. Okay, I have so much of this left. I'm just gonna like go crazy. And be back in 20 minutes. So update, my face is starting to crumble. Probably because it's too thick. Okay, so I haven't kept track of time, but I think it's done. I mean, I look like a lizard person. I'm not sure if this is safe to go down my shower drain, so I'm gonna try and get as much of it off as possible. I definitely should have not layered it so thick, because it's just gross. It's like what Botox feels like. God, my hair. Yay, it's in my hair. It's so great. Since I got like the big chunks off, I'm gonna take a shower now. And hope this comes out of my hair. And we will see how perfect my skin looks. Okay, so I will say that my skin does feel very clean. My pores are super minimized, but I am a little bit concerned over like how pink it is. You could clearly see like everywhere that I had it on is pink, but maybe it's just from me scrubbing it off. But it does feel clean, and it did make my pores smaller, so I guess if I give it some time, maybe. I don't know, that's just a little concerning. I probably got burnt by like the apple cider vinegar. So next time I might use water, I guess. I don't know, I need to see what alternative there is. Okay, so it's slowly going down, so hopefully I can stop looking like a freak. Disregard the stain. I don't know how it happened. When I washed my clothes, it went in clean and came out stained, so that's where we're at. So, salt curl review. I'm a big fan of this, mainly because I don't even own a curling iron, and I used to bleach my hair, so I don't like it being all frazzled. So this is the best thing ever. Just long, like over the knee sock or knee high sock, doesn't really matter. And I guess watch this in reverse if you don't know how to do it, but I'm going to inspire you right now. Unless it looks shit, then maybe not. It's like a hit or miss. Like sometimes it looks really, really good, and sometimes it looks really bad. So it obviously looks horrible right now, but brush it out and all will be good. Now I'm beautiful. I'm glad that you enjoyed my really, really, really bad beauty tutorial vlog. I don't know. Anyways, thank you so much to my 5 subscribers. Yep, I'm officially YouTube famous.